All right, y'all boys. As y'all can see here, we got the charts. So I'm gonna break down everything that happened. Not everything, but I'm gonna break down what I seen mostly. And there was a higher time frame SMT here, which told me that we was gonna go down. So when we made our first extension down, it would like for this amount of SMT, I knew there was more coming. You know what I'm saying? So I waited to see a good ass opportunity because I could have entered. I could have entered right here, but there was like no form of internal sweep at all. Like I could have tried to enter the short here. I would have got straight ran through. Like right here, if you look, you can see a market structure sweep. You can see it come back in, fill in this fair value gap, kind of like breaker block order block zone. After it also tapped into this inverse fair value gap zone right here. Like that would have been a great trade if I didn't, wait for some sort of internal liquidity sweep. This wouldn't have been considered internal for me, because after the big extension, that was also another thing that I knew. Like I knew it was gonna go back down, but this right here, this wasn't enough. This wasn't enough. This came back, swept past all these internal liquidities, and they came relatively close. Like they kind of made like double highs that are like, you know what I'm saying? But it's not point on. I'm not gonna say double high. But yeah, it came pretty close, and then I saw a lot of rejection out. That was my confidence. I waited for the other internal sweep of this move. As you can see, I marked the IRO as an internal liquidity. Swept out this right here, and I saw a 15-minute SMT, and I waited for that extension out, change the state of delivery, retrace. Bam, we got a nice little trade. I targeted this low right here, and I used my Fibonacci, so I'm gonna show y'all what that would look like. So yeah, my Fibonacci, I saw that this was closest to this low, so I just moved my take profit to this low right here. And yeah, that was a trade. It was 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. Yep. Trade number 2, man, was pretty much the same thing. We saw a 4-hour sweep of liquidity, actually. So that was like our biggest confluence for this. And it tapped into an order block, fair value gap zone, and on a higher time frame, of course. Once I saw this fell up, and I knew we was like in an inverse fair value gap zone on like a 15-minute or some shit like that. Like I seen like confluence for it to go higher if I was like limiting myself on what I knew already on the higher time frame. So I was gonna respect the even higher bias, and since I seen this like unicorn up, this change, like see, this is like a slight little downtrend, and this is a change in state of delivery right here. And then initially, if I didn't know what I knew, I would have took a long. Like my old self would have definitely took this long off of this fair value gap. And there's nothing wrong if you would have, well, kinda is, if you didn't have good analysis. And I would have probably targeted like right here. You know what I'm saying? That would have been a trade I would have took if I wasn't as educated as I am now. So basically what I saw was, I see a lot of people going to be going long right here. Yeah, I use these people as my liquidity. All the people that would have took this long, my old self, it was basically me against me. So it felt good after I win this. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Just like I was saying, I was scrolling on TikTok and I was seeing people that took that long. And I was like, yo bro, your stop loss is my take profit. Like trolling them. Like I just be trolling sometimes. Yeah. So that was the second trade. As you can see, it took some time, but bang bang baby, funded, passed. And I ain't gonna lie, bro, yo, when I closed this trade, I kid you not, this shit said $1.19, like I was $1.19 off of passing. So bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, I waited for a retrace bit. I got back in that bit. And that candle right here, this candle right here, I like took a short off of like just continuation of the trend. Like I really like this wasn't a serious trade. It was literally just I seen. So like this was the trade right here type shit. A small like I de-risked and everything. I'm not a gamble trader, you know what I'm saying? Like at the same time, it doesn't justify it, because even though I de-risked, like I probably shouldn't have did it in the first place. Like, bro, can y'all blame me? $1 off, we would all did it. I found a good reason to get back in and get my dollar. I de-risked. I got my dollar. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, I'm on my PC, so don't mind the quality and all that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Appreciate everybody that liked and subscribed and that's been around, you know what I'm saying, in general, like my first video. And I'm gonna keep this going. I am now funded, so let's see where I could go with this journey. Still under 1 year of trading, so it's like if I become profitable now, I'm proving a lot of people wrong in the sense of you can't be profitable in your first 1 or 2 years, because that's what a lot of people say. Appreciate all of y'all that came through. Make sure y'all like and subscribe once again. I'm out. Peace.